Beats by Nevs.
Hey everyone, Geoffrey here, and today we're diving into the sleek and stylish Huawei Nova 12s just released this month that offer a great cameras and value for money. Now, is it the vlogger's dream phone? Let's find it out. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get started. Let's start with the design and build quality. The Huawei Nova 12s is a marvel of engineering, weighing in at just 168 grams with a super slim 6.9mm thickness. Its design screams premium, and it feels like holding a piece of future in your hands. It has a unique petal texture design at the back for the blue and white color, and with classic black. The Star Orbit ring camera design trademark of Nova 12 series looks great as well, with Type-C port, speaker grill, microphone and SIM tray at the bottom, volume control and power button on the right, and another stereo speaker and microphone for noise cancellation on top. Moving on to the display. With a 6.7-inch OLED screen boasting a resolution of 1084 by 2412 pixels with 1 billion colors, HDR, and supports 120Hz refresh rate, the visuals are crisp and vibrant. Whether you're scrolling through social media, watching 4K content, or playing games, the display doesn't disappoint. Speaking of games and performance, under the hood, the Huawei Nova 12s is powered by the Snapdragon 778G, a 4G chipset paired with 8GB of RAM plus 3GB of RAM expansion to boost the performance and 256GB of internal storage. It handles multitasking and gaming with ease, although the lack of 5G might be a deal breaker for some users. Now, the dual camera setup is where the Nova 12s really shines. The 50MP Ultra Vision rear camera with RYYB sensor and f1.9 aperture captures stunning photos and videos even in low light conditions, paired with 8MP ultra wide camera that can capture macro photos as well up to 2cm. But the star of the show is a 60MP high-res front camera with f2.4 aperture. Both supports 4K 30fps, making it a powerhouse for vloggers and selfie enthusiasts. The 4500mAh battery will comfortably get you throughout the day. And with 66 watts supercharged turbo 2.0 fast charging, you won't be tethered to an outlet for long. With 15 minutes of charge, you can get 60% of battery juice. It runs on MIUI 14, and while the absence of Google Play services is notable, Huawei has done a commendable job of filling that gap with their own ecosystem. You can download most of the apps you needed in the app gallery, even the Google apps, and it's run smoothly. You can also access the Play Store with the help of Gbox, a third-party application installed in App Gallery. Now, here is my final thoughts. The Huawei Nova 12s is a solid choice for content creators on the go, thanks to its impressive cameras and sleek design. However, the lack of 5G and IP rating might make you pause. If those aren't deal breakers for you, the Huawei Nova 12s could be your next phone. Alright, that's it for today's review of the latest Huawei Nova 12s. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.